let's start English maths class. In maths class today we are going to start one subtopic. Chapter will remain same, money. Only topic will change. Today's topic is profit and loss. We are going to start profit and loss. Come on page number 213. Look in the books, all of you. Try to understand the definition, then I will explain you. Under the heading cost price and selling price. The price at which an article means any item or anything, is purchased is called the cost price. Now, when we go to the market, yes, you go to the market and while marketing, you see a very beautiful big toy or teddy bear and you want that teddy bear, so you ask your mother to buy it. You go to the shopkeeper and ask the price. The shopkeeper says the price of this teddy bear is rupees 500. Okay, you say the shopkeeper says the price of this teddy bear is 500 rupees. Okay, then what happens? So you decided to buy. So when you decide to buy the teddy bear at rupees 500, then it is known as the cost price. Then it is known as the cost price. So the cost price of that teddy bear is 500. Okay, the price at which we buy anything is known as cost price. Then the price at which an article or item is sold is called the selling price. Now you have bought that teddy bear at home, but now you are not liking it. Your friend came to your home and he said or she said, I like this teddy bear a lot. Can I buy it from you? You say, okay, I will give you this teddy bear for rupees 600. So now you are selling that teddy bear for rupees 600 to your friend. That means now the selling price of that teddy bear is 600. Are you getting it? You purchase the teddy bear for rupees 500. So the cost price was 500 rupees. The amount at which we buy anything from the market, we purchase anything from the market, that is called the cost price. And the price at which we sell anything, that is called the selling price. So here the cost price of that teddy bear was 500 rupees and the selling price while you were selling it to your friend for rupees 600, so the selling price became 600 rupees. And one thing you have to make sure, read another point, that is profit or gain. When the selling price of an article is more than its cost price, the difference is called the profit. Now, let's come back to my example that I gave you. The example that I gave you was you purchased the teddy bear for rupees 500 and you sold it to your friend for rupees 600. Yes. So the cost price was 500, selling price was 600. Which is more, the cost price or the selling price? The Yes, the selling price is more. And whenever the selling price is more than the cost price, then we have profit. Obviously, you have purchased the teddy bear for 500 rupees and then you have given it to your friend for 600 rupees. So 100 rupees you got extra. That 100 rupees is your profit. So, how we find out profit? We find out profit when the selling price is more than the cost price. So, profit formula is selling price minus cost price. That means selling price was 600, cost price was 500. So, 600 minus 500 will give us rupees 100. That was our profit by selling teddy bear. Are you getting it? Now, similarly, sometimes what happens? You bought the teddy bear for rupees 500. Your friend like it. You asked your friend, okay, I will sell it to you for 600. But your friend says, no, I don't have so much money. I can buy it for 400. Then you sold that teddy bear to your friend for rupees 400 only, because the person that boy because that boy was your friend. So you said, okay, you are my friend, so I am selling you for 400. Now what happened? The case changes here. Now the cost price of the teddy bear that you bought from the market was 500, and you sold it for 400. That means cost price 500 is more, selling price 400 is less. When selling price is less, now you are having profit or loss? Here you are having loss. Yes. Why you are having loss? Because from the market you have purchased for 500, but you have given to your friend for 400. So that means 500 minus 400, that is 100 rupee loss. So when the cost price is more than the selling price, we have loss. But when selling price is more than the cost price, we have profit. Got it? This much is clear. What is cost price? What is selling price? What is profit? And what is loss? This much is clear to everybody? Okay. Okay. So now on a fresh page, you will put heading profit and loss, and then you will write the definition of cost price and selling price under the heading cost price and selling price, same page. Definitions are given. The price at which an article is purchased is called the cost price till here. And then the price at which an article is sold out is called the selling price. All right. And then you do one thing. Whenever the paragraph is given under the heading profit and loss, whenever we buy an item, you first copy this paragraph, because in this paragraph example is also given. Okay. So first put heading profit and loss, then copy this paragraph. Then you will write the definition of cost price and selling price. Because in cost price and selling price, example is also given. Na? In the above example, the cost price of the doll is 100 and the toy is 150. So you copy this whole page till the profit formula. The profit or gain is equal to selling price minus cost price is equal to SP minus CP. SP is short form of selling price and CP is short form of cost price. Are you getting it? What you have to do? Under the heading profit and loss, under the heading profit and loss, you have to start from whenever you have to keep copying the whole paragraph of profit and loss, then you have to copy the whole paragraph of cost price and selling price, then you have to copy profit or gain till the formula of profit, yellow box, till the yellow box. Okay. Okay. Yes. Now come on. Who is asking us? Yes. I can't hear you, Manvi. Yes, beta. When the selling price of an article is more than the cost price, the difference is called a profit or gain. You have to write this. Okay. This much you have to write till profit. Loss definition I will explain in the next maths class. Whenever you will be having the next maths class, then I will ask you to write the loss definition. Today you have to write till yellow box only. Starting from the purple box, you have to write till the yellow box. Yes, Ritisha. Who is asking? What? Arey, why are you worried about tomorrow, Angelina? Worry about today. Yes, exercise. You will write heading profit and loss, page number 213. Chapter is same, only the heading is changed. Chapter is 14 only, money. Only the subheading is changed. So first heading will be money as it is, and then second heading will be profit and loss. Okay. Now come on to the example and try to understand it quickly. The example says a shopkeeper bought a watch for rupees 500 and sold it for 700. Now, bought a watch for rupees 500 means 500 is what? The cost price? Yes or no? The price at which we purchase any item from the market, that is the cost price. So here the cost price is 500. Okay. And then it is saying and he sold it for 700. So 700 is the selling price. So does the shopkeeper have profit or loss? So how we are going to solve it? First sentence will be, look in the book. The price of the watch means the cost price, CP, is 500. The selling price, SP, 700. Yes. And then which is more here, the cost price or the selling price? Hania, your brother is sitting at the back and playing game. Yes, Hania. Your brother is not having any classes. He's sitting back and playing game. Okay. Then here the cost price is 700 and selling price, sorry, the cost price is 500 and selling price is 700. That means what is more here, the cost price or the selling price? Yes, selling price is more. And I told you whenever the selling price is more, that means we have profit. We have purchased anything for 500, 500 खर्च करे और 700 हमको मिल गए. That means we are having what? Profit. And how we take out profit? The formula is selling price minus cost price. That is 700 minus 500. So 200 is our profit or loss? Profit. Yes, 200 is profit. Obviously, when you have purchased a watch for rupees 500 and you have sold it for 700, तो 200 की तो पार्टी हो जाएगी ना? Yes or no? वो तो extra मिल गए. So that is profit. Okay. Whenever the selling price is more, cost price is less, then we have profit. And to take out profit, there is one simple formula, that is selling price minus cost price. This much clear to everybody? All 23 students, those who are there in the meeting right now, profit and loss, selling price, cost price, clear? Okay. And the work that you have to do, that is also clear? Yes, Vidhi? No, 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 no example just now. I said start from the purple box and to the yellow box. Till yellow box you have to write till the formula. That's it. Rest of the work we will do in the next maths class whenever we'll have. You cannot do all the work in the same day, beta. Okay? So this much only you have to do. Okay.